biggest factor for going with Centra was that Centra uses their own installers. So we knew that if there were any problems, we would be dealing with one company and we wouldn't have to go back and deal with anybody else, and we wouldn't get caught between an installer and a window company. I would definitely say really consider the warranty. That is major when you're looking at a huge project like this. I think it would be ridiculous to spend all that money and have a 10-year warranty. And I would also say it's majorly important to make sure the installers are hired by the company. The research that we did, that was one of the big factors that I read about, that you needed to make sure that your installers were ones that worked with the company.